Hi, can I speak to Mimi, please? Is she here? Oh, hi, I'm Mimi. Hi, Mimi. Yesterday you did my nails, and I don't like the way it looks. What happened? You didn't like your nails? It's so bumpy, and it's really short. I didn't want it this short, and you didn't listen to what I had to say. You keep talking and talking, and you just... I want my money back. Okay, well, I'm sorry. I can fix it for you, you want. This is such a waste of time. Excuse me, ma'am, but I need you to calm down. I don't need you to be rude to my teammate right here, okay? She gave it her best, and you might not like your nail. You should have said something, okay? But for you to come in here acting all stuck up and rude, get the hell out of my shop. I'm the customer here, okay? I cannot believe you guys talk to me like that. I cannot. You know what? Forget it. I don't want my money. Forget it. I'm going to write a bad review for you guys. I'm going to go on Google and Yelp, and I'm going to give you guys 1 star. I wish there was 0 star, but I have to give you 1 star, okay? Bye.